Date of birth is one of the foundational identity verification data points, and knowing it can dramatically improve the accuracy of a people search, particularly for subjects with common names. Here's how professional investigators find and verify date of birth information. For any individual with any credit history, financial account, or interaction with a government agency, date of birth is recorded in multiple database systems. Professional skip tracing platforms use date of birth as one of the primary identity anchors for resolving records to the correct individual. The most reliable public sources for date of birth include voter registration records, which in most states contain the voter's date of birth as a required field. Many states make voter registration data publicly available, either free or for a nominal fee, as bulk data or searchable through a state portal. Court records are another reliable source. Civil court filings, criminal records, traffic citations, and many administrative proceedings include the parties' dates of birth as standard identifying information. Court records across the U.S. are searchable through professional multi-state court record databases. Social Security Death Index, now called the Social Security Death Master File, contains dates of birth for deceased individuals. While not useful for locating living people, it's an important source for confirming whether a subject has died. For living individuals, the most complete DOB data comes from commercial identity verification databases that aggregate records from credit bureaus, government agencies, and other sources. These databases are accessible to credentialed professional investigators. Social media profiles frequently include date of birth information, either directly in the profile data or inferentially from birthday posts, graduation years, and other age-referencing content. Date of birth is particularly important when searching for individuals with common names. A database returning 50 matches for Robert Johnson can typically be reduced to 1 or 2 candidates by adding a date of birth, because the combination of name plus DOB uniquely identifies an individual in the vast majority of cases. At People Locator Skip Tracing, every skip trace includes identity verification data, including date of birth confirmation. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.